In the previous lecture, we were making this part and we have created some base features. Go to Creo and here you can see we have created the sketch. Now we are going to create the complete loop using the swept blend. So first let's find out the radius values. So if you take a look at from here, you can see there is a circle of diameter 75. Also there is 64. This upper value is 100. Okay. Now go to Creo. So we can create the sketches outside the command or we can also create the sketches inside the command. So let's say I'm going to create sketches outside. So first of all, turn on the plane display. Now I need to create a datum plane. So go to plane, create a plane here. So the first junction point is at a distance of 200. So this value is 200. If you go to the drawing, you can see this distance is 200. Similarly, we need to create a plane on the top side. So here you can see there is a gap between this 200 and 55. So the gap between plane will be 200 minus 55, that will be somewhere around 145. So we need to create one more plane. Go to plane, create a plane at a distance of 145. Click OK. Now I am going to create a sketch on this. Go to sketch, select this plane and sketch view. Now we need to take some references. Okay, what I do right now, you can see the line we have created is not visible properly. I will go to wireframe from here. Turn off all the plane display. Go to references, take some references of this line and select this end point and similarly this end point. Close. Here I am going to draw circles. So go to circle, onto this end point, one circle and second circle. Make sure these are of equal radius. This value is 75. Click OK. Now you can see circles has been created. Similarly, we need to create circle on this plane. So I will go to this plane, click on this and click on show or hide. Okay, now I will go to sketch, select this datum plane 2. Click sketch. And now we need to take references. So now I can take the reference of this existing circles. I need center point, click on this and this point. Go to circle and draw a smaller circle and one more circle like this. Now this diametrical value for both circle is same, that is 64. Click OK. So in this way we have created the circles. After that we need to create the swept blend. So go to swept blend and first of all select the trajectory line. This is the line. Go to selection. So now we have already created the sketches. So go to selected sections. Select the first circle. Click on insert. Select the second circle. Here go to shaded with edge view. And here make sure this is surface. Now I will go to insert and now select this circle. So you can see the orientation of circle is not proper. To change the orientation, pick up this arrow highlighting. Hold down the left click and drag this arrow to the other side. Like this. Now I will pick up this on the other side. So now you can see the blend is proper this time. Similarly, I will click on insert, select this circle. Once again we need to change the orientation. So once again pick up this arrow, hold down the left click and drag the mouse on the other side. And now click OK. So in this way we have created a surface. After that I will go to drawing once again. So we need to create this feature. And for this feature you can see there is a circular dimension that is of value 64. There is a base dimension, that is value of 100. Okay, and you can also see from the top view this is a circular in section. Now I will go to creo, go to sketch, and onto this face sketch, and here go to circle, onto the center draw a circle of diameter 100 and OK. Now we need one more datum plane. So you can see from the drawing the offset value is 100. Okay, we need to create one more datum plane at a distance of 100. You can turn on all the datum display. So this value is from the bottom. Okay, plane, select this bottom plane, distance value is 100, press enter, click OK. Now onto this plane, go to sketch and select this plane, sketch, and go to circle and draw a circle. So this diameter is 64. Click OK. So in this way we have created two circles. So now we have two circles, we can create a blend of them. So what I do, I will go to this wireframe from here, click on wireframe, and here go to shapes, go to blend. Select this first circle we have created, and then okay, here we need to go to selected section, click on confirm, because we already have section. So select the first circle, click on add, select the second circle, click OK. So if you go to this solid from here, shade with edge view, you can see, okay, it has created a solid. You can see the surface is highlighting by this light blue color, while the solid body is highlighting by this gray color. So we don't need this as a solid, we need this as a surface. Go to blend and go to edit definition, and here select surface, click OK. Now you can see, if I go to view manager, and let's say I will select this plane. Now if I turn on the wireframe mode, you can see there is some material inside. So we need to trim this extra part. So what I do, I will go to shade with edge view. To do this, I will go to merge. Select this first surface and select the second surface. Make sure you need to hold down the control key. Select this once again. Now you are going to see two arrows highlighting. So we need to reverse their direction. For first arrow, reverse their direction. And wherever you will see this symbol of checks, it means this surface will be keep. For example, I click OK right now. You can see it has trimmed that outside part. So I will go to merge once again, click on edit definition. For the second part, reverse the direction. Now you can see this check symbol is going upward. Click OK. And if you go to the wireframe mode from here, you will see there is no extra part. So I will go to shade with edge view. After that, since it is surface body, we need to provide it a thickness. From the drawing, if you see here, the thickness for this circular part is 6. So I will go to thicken feature, select the surface and insert value 6. Now zoom in onto this thickness. You can see the line is showing inward and thickness is showing outward. So right now the thickness has been applied in the outward direction. Click on this arrow. Now the thickness is going inward. If I click on this flip direction once again, now it is symmetric. So I want this thickness in the inside side. Now click OK. So in this way we have provided the thickness, and you can see all the body is now solid. So we will continue this in the next lecture.